Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about how do you access StatCrunch. Okay, now there are two ways that you can access StatCrunch. You can either go to the My Lab Statistics drop-down menu over here to the left, and you can select StatCrunch, or it's also part of a question when you're going through your assignments. So let's first take a look at how you can open up StatCrunch as a separate page. So if you click on StatCrunch here, okay, there's going to be a few things here. It's going to say StatCrunch and then StatCrunch study card. So here, when you see StatCrunch, and this is what's highlighted over here, it says to visit the StatCrunch website. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to open up a new page. Okay, and so now when you open up this page, okay, it's going to give you a page where it says that you can open up StatCrunch. So when you open up StatCrunch, it's going to basically have the information that you need as we go through the course. So here, you can put information in here, and then you're going to be using this information as you go along throughout the course. So this is one way of opening up StatCrunch, okay? Now another way is through an assignment. So I'm going to open up an assignment here. So this is an assignment that you'll see later on in the course. Okay, and it says here that they want you to construct a frequency distribution. Now, a lot of times you are given a table and it has this little icon in the right corner. So if you click on that with your mouse, it says that you can open this up into StatCrunch. What it means is it's going to take this data and then open it up in StatCrunch. So when you open this up, it's going to automatically pull this data and then put it into a column in StatCrunch, and then you can go ahead and then manage any of the things that you need to do according to that particular exercise. So in order to get the StatCrunch, okay, there are two ways. One way is through the menu on the left side. Another way is to open it up into that particular assignment. Now also keep in mind that StatCrunch is already included in your subscription for my Stat Lab. So you do not need to purchase that again. We will be using StatCrunch throughout the course, especially when you're using when you have to do your projects. It's going to make things a lot easier being able to pull that information there. So please make sure that you're using StatCrunch from the beginning of the course so that you're familiar with it, and the more you become familiar with it, the easier it is to understand.